Hey y'all, today we're at the Grayson in Phenix City, Alabama. We're just down the street from so many amazing shops, restaurants, parks, and so much more. This community features some amazing amenities such as a fitness center, a clubhouse, and a playground. Today we'll be looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look.
Come on in. Right when you enter, there's the large living space, dining room, and the fully equipped kitchen, which all feature modern plank flooring. There's a laundry room with washer and dryer hookups, and a closet that could be used as a pantry or a linen closet. The first bathroom is located just off of the living space, making it perfect for guests. Across the hall is the primary bedroom, which features a large closet and an ensuite bathroom. Down the hall, you'll find 2 more spacious bedrooms. Each room features a large closet. Inside the clubhouse, you'll find the leasing office, a seating area, a dining table, and a fitness center. Outside, you'll find a playground and a grill area. Click the link below to book your tour.